Hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. How is your attitude today? What are you doing today? Today is the most important day ever, right? Because when you wake up in the morning and you have gratitude and love and joy and happiness in your heart and you're expanding on all of that, what are you getting? You're getting more and more of that. And when you invest in others, when you are making an intention to build and grow, you will get and share more of that knowledge. And you will grow and make you rich in fulfillment. When you do that, when life is rich and you're feeling fulfilled and fruitful in all you do, you are taking the steps needed to take your life to that area, to take your life to that plane, to that focus, and you're making it happen for you. And I know this sounds a little sappy, but it's really so point on. So take care of what the end result is. When you immerse yourself in the events that you want to continue to create, when you immerse yourself in the activities, when you immerse yourself in the mindset, you're going to find that you will have so much more focus. And where focus grows, energy flows. So, whatever you're focusing on in your lifestyle, in who you are and who you want to be, when you focus on that part of you, you're going to find that you have more and more coming to you freely and frequently, so easy. And that's where it all comes in. And you want to be sure, and this is going to sound silly again, but you want to surround yourself with people that are already having this success, that have this motivation, so to speak, that have this focus. Because when someone has a focus of where they want to go and what the end result is, and where it's actually where you're ending up, where do you want to end up? At the end of your day, at the end of this segment or this situation, or the end of the event that you are creating, where do you want the end result to be? What do you want to be doing? What do you want to have? And who do you want to be? Because whatever you're focusing on now, that is where the end result is, and that is where the energy is flowing. So as you are going through the steps and as you are becoming that person and as you are growing and being and seeing and doing all that you can to create the lifestyle you want, to create the lifestyle that you want to immerse yourself in, you can do anything you want with the right attitude, with the right focus, and with the right intention. I know it's a lot of words there, but they are all, when you connect them together, your knowledge grows. And when your knowledge grows, your life is rich and fruitful with whatever you want to create in it. And that's where it's important. That's what you have to do, and that's where you have to be. It is crazy, silly how easy this is. And I encourage you in yourself, in your being, every day to become that person, to become the person that take to take the knowledge and to go that next level, to go all the way to the end and up and back again. And I know you can do it. I know you can. And when you share the knowledge that you have with others, you're not only going to enrich their being and their well-being and their lifestyle, you're going to enrich your lifestyle. You're making your life rich and